What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to automatically forward emails in Outlook so that any emails you receive will be sent to another email address of your choice. First, open Outlook on your computer. Once it's open, look at the top left corner and click on File. This will take you to the Account Information page. From here, scroll down and click on Manage Rules and Alerts. This section allows you to create and modify rules for incoming emails. In the Rules and Alerts window, make sure you're on the Email Rules tab, and then click New Rule. A list of rule templates will appear. Scroll down and select Start from a blank rule. Then choose Apply Rule on messages I receive and click Next. The next step asks you to select conditions for filtering which emails should be forwarded. Since we want to forward all incoming emails, simply click Next without selecting any conditions. A message will pop up asking if you want the rule to apply to every message. Click Yes to confirm. Now select the action, forward it to people or public group. Then click the underlined text that says People or Public Group under Step 2. A new window will appear, allowing you to enter the new email address where you want your emails to be forwarded. Type the desired email and click OK. Once it's added, click Next. At this point, you can set up any exceptions if you don't want certain emails to be forwarded. If you don't need exceptions, click Next again. You'll now be asked to name the rule. Give it a name that makes sense, like Auto Forward, and then click Finish. Finally, click Apply and then OK, and your rule will be active. Now, any new emails received in your Outlook inbox will be automatically forwarded to the selected email. One important note is, the first few forwarded emails might end up in the spam or junk folder of the recipient's inbox. Be sure to check that folder and mark the emails as not spam. If necessary, whitelist the sender's email to prevent further issues. If you ever want to stop auto-forwarding, go back to File, Manage Rules and Alerts, find the rule and uncheck it, and then click Apply. You can also delete it completely by selecting it and clicking Delete. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.